My dad, me and him, we were actually working like 3 years ago. He was on site like three years ago. Or was it? Oh, that might have been like 5 years ago.
It's been a little longer than that.
Cause yeah, cause whenever I came, you said
No, it was like 3 years ago because
3 years with you.
it was me and him. We were doing a fence. It was a pine fence over in Mesquite. I remember.
Well,
I don't. Y'all weren't there.
Me, you, Juju, and Junior. I remember being on a fence job with y'all for.
In Mesquite?
Y'all took me home that day.
Hey, we're keeping our value here too.
In Mesquite?
You hear me? Keeping our value here
I'm
too.
just raking it up. Yes. Ready?
Everything's up. What got the saw on the ground?
oh, actually, I can just got me a picture.
It's fresh in this.
Oh, let me get another sip of that freaking. Let me sip some of that.
That we were Stacy's we were about the back. She was just planting the sod.
Oh yeah.
Back the trees and stuff on the trees.
Yeah.
We were digging all that.
I was with Brian, bro. Brian, they had Brian grinding all the stumps down with the sawzall.
Yeah, I was down cutting all the little stumps out. I had to dig up
Oh yeah.
all around the fence line.
Oh yeah, we did that for free. Remember?
I don't know. I didn't go over for it.
Yeah, that's true. You didn't, but we didn't charge her for it.
Brian, Junior, and Joseph did that day.
Huh?
You said what?
Joseph did that day.
Do you work out?
You were jealous?
Yeah. I'm not too consistent with it right now, but yeah.
Like, yeah, man.
Go somewhere? Or you
Yeah, I go to a gym.